Hello YouTube world. Doing some welding. On this. A bit more. This going here. This going here. Laura, what you doing? Wait up. Look. Let's get welded in here. Well, plug that fucker off. Weld a new plate on the front. Until you're dead. You're dead. You're sitting in the sun. Like the sun, don't you? This side's getting there. The plate on the front. Put that in there. The plate at the bottom. This is going to get seam welded. Yeah. Did a bit more touching up in here. Bit of water in there. It's getting there. My plan is I'm going to cut these sections out. They're going to get redone. But this is mostly the front is going to be done. This plate, pop riveted up to there, shaped the form. Just converted all the fucking rust up in there. Did it all with body deadener. This is the section that I made up in here. It's a work in progress though. So yeah, there's a piece here somewhere for that. Yes. What's the piece? It's definitely a piece. Where's the piece gone? No, this is what I've been using. This Sicko car bodies. Yes, so it's getting there. It's me fixing the plenum at the top on this side. It's a bit ugly, but it just needs to drive. All bits that I pulled out. See, how about I get you a sample of the stuff that I pulled out of this fucking thing. This is all the work. This is. I might have to get something to put it in. I'll just put it in that. There we go. That up. It would be irresponsible leaving this all over the ground, but it does. What you doing, Runty? Okay, here we go. This is how much rust I've cut out of this car. Obviously that's not rust. That's something that Lola's been chewing on. This is from the factory. From the factory it's got this crap all through it. This. All that. This is all. Apart from that, that's obviously not. Lola. You can't eat a grinder blade. What you do with the food? It's food. Yeah, so things like this is factory. That is something that just creates fucking rust. Factory. This is factory. That. Oh, that's for the door. That's what the rubber's. That's the rubber for the door. This little knob. I haven't kept all of it either. And this is just the start of it. So, yeah. There's little pieces of that bog stuff. It just sits there on these little holes, and I started doing the upper plenum on this side. There's a Landau numbers. This is what controls the headlights. Apparently this here and the car is just sitting here, you can turn that, the headlights go up and down. But yes, to be honest, there's no rust under here. You know, the front end's never been in the smash. It's all pretty clean. It's just body deadener to start with. Yeah, it's all pretty straight. It's good. If you can see that, I'll have a look at the other side. I'll show you on the other side. There's got, nope, but they're Coney adjustables. Coney, they're actual Coney shockies. See where it's written on it. It's written on it somewhere. There's a Coney badge there. Can't really see it. Landau's have got is this. The hard top comes back to here. Yes. They lead wipe all this. I've just got this undercoated like this at the moment, just to stop any further rust. But our plan is to, you know, cut it all out. It's got a little bit of rust in it. The sill on this side's probably the worst one. A little bit of rust, but you can get all the rust repair panels to fix all this. This we're just gonna weld it up. This here, this seam across here needs to be fixed. These window edges, they've got a like a steel trim that goes on them. Apart from that, the parcel shelf's in pretty good nick. Parcel shelf, it's got a little bit of a fucking cancer over that side. But, yes, these windows are electric and quite expensive. I'll put a couple of links up for that. I left the hood lining in it because I couldn't be fucked taking it out. We're going to clean it up once it's done. What else? It sits up there. It's actually a pretty good car. These have got a foot handbrake, factory. Yes. There's all the tools. There's a welder and such. And why there's a circular saw in here? What the fuck? What the fuck is using a circular saw in here? Fuck me. There's the main vape. Vape. So, yeah, we can use one of these. This thing's fucking tough. It is tough. I got the wheels off it because they need to be re-chromed. We're going to have a look in here. Look at my shed. This is all the stuff off it. That guard's good. The lower part of that guard needs a bit of rust repair, but this guard is chopped on the bottom. The bumpers are going to get re-chromed. Yeah. This is pretty much the whole car here. That's the aircon compressor. That's just ridiculous overkill. Okay. These are all the bits. The odds and sods. I know where it all is. I'm pretty sure I know where it all is. Yeah. The seats. Seats are actually in very good condition. It's the dash pad. We've got, sorry, the headlight bezels.